the Slick Mist product here on sale. And before you spread that. All right, here we go.
Take 10.
Hi, welcome to Davidson Motorsports today. I'm your host, Joey Davidson. We're here with Lucas Oil, and we've got a product here we think everybody would like. It's your fast and easy speed wax. This is some good stuff. We just got through today trying it out on this 62 Chevy. As you can see, it won't even stay on the truck. It's so slick. We kept it at the racetrack. I spray it on my race car every rain, make it just a little bit faster. And to make things even better, Lucas Oil has come out with a fast and easy detailing kit with speed wax in it, trim and tire shine, interior detailing, comes with a microfiber cloth and a tire spun. This is your whole kit. All you car guys going to these car shows and everything, if you ain't got this in the boot of your car, you're probably not going to win. You got to have Lucas Oil on your side. Need any more information, go to lucasoil.com or go to Davidson Motorsports. We'll let you know what you need to get. Thanks. We'll see you next time.